as a planet, we're facing a climate emergency. Tidal energy has a key part to play in the green energy revolution. Solar and wind renewables are not enough on their own to deliver the solutions we need. Sometimes the sun doesn't shine, the wind doesn't blow.
Tidal is completely predictable as an energy source. Unlike any other renewable, we can predict days, weeks, months ahead what the tide will be doing.
Our tidal turbines are effectively an underwater wind turbine.
It is propelled by the flow of the tide. With water being 800 times denser than air, we can capture an immense amount of energy.
Our turbines work in harmony with the environment. There are no dams, no barriers, wildlife is free to move around them, and there is no visual impact on the landscape.
No navigational hazard, no storm interaction, and it's environmentally friendly. And we now have 5 years of data and an independent regulator to verify that.
Governments right across the world now understand the urgent need to transition from fossil fuels to renewables. And with the sea all around us, the scale of growth in marine energy, it's not just a business opportunity for Nova, exciting as that is. I mean, I think we're on the cusp of a new industrial revolution.
Accelerating the commercialisation of tidal energy will help us to meet our net zero carbon targets, improve our security of supply, and enable us to create a new industry where we are exporting tidal turbines across the world. We're on track to meet the EU target of €100 per megawatt hour by 2030. That's key because that means tidal energy will be cheaper than nuclear power by 2030.
Nova has a very strong international reputation. We would be seen as the go-to company for tidal energy. That is proven by the projects that we do have around the globe.
We are doubling the size of the Shetland Tidal Array, progressing our sites in Wales, and embarking on a new project in Canada. More water flows in and out of the Bay of Fundy each day than all the rivers in the world combined.
Tidal energy has potential across every continent in the world.
The global marine energy market is worth an estimated £126 billion. Our first major institutional investor was the Scottish National Investment Bank. They invested £6.4 million in Nova. And one of their core missions, like ours, is to support the energy transition. We're constantly striving to use that capital efficiently, to make profits. We're a commercial organisation, but also to be ethical in the choices that we make. We want a sustainable future for everyone, and that's what we are working towards.
We're offering the opportunity to invest in Nova and take part and deliver that green energy revolution.